buying 40 ammo. I don't know how long I can do that. I might get the Glock 43X or the Glock 19.
He's loading at the moment. We did 5. Now we're doing 7. And we'll see how we go.
All right, y'all, I'm about to shoot the panic.
You want to shoot first? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, but if you do that all the time. There you go.
So y'all, I dipped these two right here. I did 4 of them. And 40 ain't no joke, bro. Y'all, look at this work, bro. Y'all, look at this work. Nasty work. Nasty work. That's me. I dipped. But besides me messing up, we are on point. On point. Straight gut shot. Let's get it. I should tell your ass out. putting a hole. She putting a hole in the paper.
That was my
Hold
little
on.
hairstyle.
We got off autofocus. Y'all, she putting a hole in the paper. Check her out. When I say she a beast, why she didn't have to put that hole in that paper like that, bro? She didn't have to put that hole in that paper like that. Come on, bro. We done went through like what, like 3-4 rounds?
Yeah.
I said 3-4 rounds. 3-4 mags. I'm sorry, y'all. 3-4 mags. Let's get it. And it won't get stuck. I think that's what it is. Or it could be the ammo, but you shoot 115.
You did.
Yeah, I dipped twice. I was trying to run at that time. Told that paper up. Yeah, look what I did to that paper, bro. Come on now. Come on now. We only shooting 5 yards out, but still. Critical damage. Yeah, we about to go crazy.
He just want to shoot my gun. He just want to shoot my gun. Sorry for my lips being ashy.
All right, y'all, we back in the truck. Man, that was fun, bro. I was shooting the 40. At first, it was a little rough, but then I got the hang of it. I started letting that thing go. But I do want a 9mm. I'm gonna be looking around for a 9. Anyways, it was fun though, y'all. Been real. I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie, shooting that 40 got my hand hurting. I got a 45, and I'm glad I ain't bring that. Bro, that 40 ain't no joke. But until next time, y'all, I'm finna call it a day. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Be easy.